So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Spoken English by Sambhav Jain, and you are here. So what we are discussing today? We are discussing a very great or good topic, our beautiful environment. Okay. So now we start our communication skills. Okay, on our beautiful environment. Okay. So first you will have to initiate this topic. So who will initiate this topic today? Okay. So next I am inviting Harshit Agrawal. Please come here and initiate this topic, our beautiful environment. You already know, means our surrounding. What is our surrounding? It's called environment. Means we are living totally in environment and we are totally dependent on our environment. So environment is our basic thing and basic need for human beings for survival. Okay. So first I am inviting Harshit Agrawal. Please come on the stage. Yes, Harshit. So clapping for the Harshit. Harshit will initiate this topic.
Hello everyone, I am Harshit Agrawal and today I am here to initiate this topic. The topic is our beautiful environment. So first of all, I want to tell you what is environment. So environment is the thing where all the things are depend on each other. There are so many things are included in our environment like our trees, our all animals, and there are so many beautiful things are included in environment. Now I will tell you our beautiful environment. So it is right that our environment is very beautiful because there are so many things we can look in environment, and there are so many flowers, they give us a lot of good fragrance and so many things, and we see the sunrise and sunset, that is look very creative, and that is also good for couples, they can enjoy in that seasons, and that's all about my topic. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ayush Mistry. So today I will tell you about our beautiful environment. So our environment is so beautiful that we can see in the image that there is a beautiful sunset, and so many trees are there. So the trees are so beautiful that we cut down nowadays, but we should not do this. Trees are life that make the environment beautiful. Environment is a place where we can find our cultural lives. Like we can find people building huts and building so many houses. Like there are so many things in our beautiful environment. Like kacha house people build, like pakka house people build, and so many climates are there in our world. Like icy area, icy area, summer area, and you know that India has so many places of different types, different seasons, different weather. Jammu and Kashmir have icy weathers, and Madhya Pradesh have a little bit cool area, but not more. And the southern area, it has a great culture and great environment that we can find there. Like there so many people build their boat so that they can farm things. They can raft the boat and to visit a place by place. So many traders come in India to trade with India. That is our culture. That is our environment that we live in. Thank you. Now I will call Christy.
So first of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening everyone. I am Christy Agrawal and today I am here to present a topic, our beautiful environment. As you can see here also, our beautiful environment means the things which are beautiful and which are surround us. The things where there are everything which is beautiful around us, which are just like some people are talking to each other. There are beautiful trees, plants, flowers around us, and there are sceneries, and there are many just like some rivers also, the some waterfalls also, they also come in the beautiful environment. We feel very good with the help of our beautiful environment, and it is very important, and it is the best thing to get some relax, and uh, we get some relax, and we get cool, and some people also do meditation in the front of our beautiful environment. We can get fresh air, and we can see the beautiful of our beautiful nature, and many things and sources of it, and the air which are passing through them, and they are giving us very cool air, and also some people should sit in the shadow of trees, which is also very good for us. And in the in our beautiful environment, not only nature's waterfalls and things, but there are some people and some human beings, animals also, which are doing something, which are some kids are playing with each other, and we get many things from our beautiful environment, so we should thank our beautiful environment. Thank you.
So Christy has performed in very great manner. So clapping for Christy. Okay. First, why we are living. Why we are living here, or why we are living in India. Okay. In India, everything is available because of environment. Means we have 3 seasons. First one is summer season, second one is winter season, and third one is rainy season. So we enjoy all the seasons. Right now, what seasons we are enjoying? We are enjoying rainy season. So you see our surroundings, environment is very cool and green. Okay. So means my next question is that if there will be no rain, or if our environment will be no cool or no greenery, so how can we survive? Okay. Actually, environmental changes is also doing one by one on day to day. Environmental changes also doing because of human activities. So in the ending, we will discuss about why environmental changes are doing. Okay. Next, I am inviting Manvi. So Manvi, please come on the stage.
Good evening to all. I am Manvi Shishodia. Today I am here to present topic is our beautiful environment. Our environment is very beautiful because it gives us a lot of things such as so many fruits, vegetables and shelters. Environment is very important for us because we can't survive without environment. In environment we are getting fruits, vegetables and so many beautiful things such as colorful flowers, etc. Environment is very important for us. Some people cut trees to get some things such as furnitures, but this is not good for us because we get harm if we cut trees. So who can consume carbon dioxide, and trees is very important for us because they give us oxygen. In nowadays, environment is very important for us because as we see in summer season, the increasing temperature which is very harmful for us, and if we are plant more and more trees, so we can improve our environmental situations. And that's all from me.
Hello everyone, I am Shrijan and today I am here to present the topic our beautiful environment. So first I will tell you one quote: let's make our environment beautiful so that we have a beautiful future to survive. So now I come to my point. So our beautiful environment. So first I will tell you about what is environment. Our environment is a place where we all living organisms are surviving, and there are many things which makes them very beautiful, like tree, flowers, and they gives beautiful very beautiful fog. And environment is also very important for us because without environment our living organisms cannot survive. And nowadays we are seeing people cutting trees for their own purpose, and they do not think about the environment. But our some great leaders like our PM Modi president, they making new yojanas to control them very well. That's all about me.
PM Modi is not a president, he is a prime minister. Good evening to all. I am Paridhi and today I am here to present a speech on our beautiful environment. Our environment is so beautiful because of beautiful flowers, greenery, etc. Environment provide a lot of useful things to us like oxygen, which is very important for us. We can't live without oxygen, and medicines. They are also very important. We should plant more and more trees. If we will plant more and more trees, so our life will become beautiful because of flowers, greenery, etc. And the global warming will decrease. That's the main reason we should plant more and more trees. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. I am Ishika. Today I present my topic. My topic name is Our Beautiful Environment. Our beautiful environment is a really beautiful because there are many things to see in nature like flower, plants, tree, and etc. Our environment help us in oxygen, breathe, and give us food, medicine, and cloth, etc. Our environment is very important for life, and there are many colors to see in environment which make the earth beautiful. Environment is the best creation of God. Thank you.
So first of all, very good evening everyone. My name is Divyansh Rawat. Today my topic is environment. In this world is filled of nature and environment. Environment is a previous thing that God gives us, and it is very beautiful. And in including the environment, the rainfall, trees and our living organs are also including, and seasons are also included, and this is right. We cannot survive without the nature because nature includes water, soil, lands also. So without water, trees, and lands, we can't survive in this world. That's all about my topic.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Yadav and today I am representing a topic, our beautiful environment. So first I will tell about what is environment. Environment is something that we are in living and we seeing in our surrounding and environment. Next I will tell about the importance of our beautiful environment. Yes, it is right that our environment is so beautiful and it is so religious and cultural, and our environment, if we make our environment beautiful, so we don't waste our time on WhatsApp and internet. We should plant a tree in a park and garden, and if we plant trees, so automatically our environment is good, and our environment makes our lifestyle and health good. That's all from my topic.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Sarsvardhan Wadiga. Today I am here to presenting my topic on our beautiful environment. Our nature is provide nature beautiful environment to live and enjoy. So it's our responsibility to keep it up and save our environment. In modern time, many people wants to cut trees. So it's our responsibility to don't cut trees and save trees and grow trees. And trees provide many type of food, vegetable to eat, and trees help us to rain, and trees are maintaining the temperature of our earth, and in many people want to cut trees because it's for own self. That's all about me, my topic.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Kushaw. Today I am representing a topic on our beautiful environment. So our environment is very beautiful. Our environment is very beautiful, which is made by the nature, and it is surrounded by green plants, trees, animals, humans, etc. Everyone live, survive, and operate. Everything is related to the environment, and just like good atmosphere, like some people says good, some people abuses, and some people talks politely, etc. There is 32% covered with the greenness in the world. Thank you. That's all about my topic. At last, I want to say that our world is beautiful. Try to make it more beautiful. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is good evening, everyone. My name is Arnav Agrawal. I am presenting my topic, our beautiful environment. The colors, shapes, and patterns are found in environment. There are so many things in our environment, like trees, mountains, lakes, seas, oceans. There are many things. Why you like our environment? Because it is a beautiful. Because there is many trees. The environment is green. That's all my topic.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Deepraj. Today I am presenting here my topic is our importance of our environment. In our environment is very important, and without I am not without survive trees. There are many facilities in our environment: trees, mountains, rivers, and and tree and and tree. Our environment is many facilities like tree and what.
So, good evening, all of you, and respected sir. I am Yashya Yadav, and I am here to present a topic of our beautiful environment. As you can see here, our beautiful environment. So, first of all, I want to tell a quote about the topic. So, the quote is, "Let's nurture the nature, so then we have a better future." Let's start my topic. So I want to tell about what is our environment. The environment is our surroundings, our surroundings, like trees and the environment. And the environment, the nature means environment. And but many people are harming environment, and also producing plastic and some bad things for the environment. So the environment is going bad, and it is transforming into a harming gases. So we have to save our environment. But the most beautiful environment in the world is in the India, our India. There is there is very much good environment is in our India, or in villages, and also in some cities there are many trees, and the environment is very good, and we have to save our environment. That's all.
So good, so good, good, so good evening. My name is Manas Agrawal. My topic is our beautiful environment. The God gave us two beautiful environment. Nature is a God to gives, or nature begins the God. Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Purvi Soni. So today my topic is our beautiful environment. Our environment is beautiful. It play very important role in our life that we get from many things like tree, plant, flower, fruit, vegetable, and many more. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. I am presenting a topic, our beautiful environment. In our environment have five elements. Five elements. First, sky, water, fire, air, trees, land. And our environment is so good. And human live our earth. The other planet has no environment and no oxygen, so we cannot live other planet, and earth has oxygen and environment both, so human can live earth. And the tree, river, flowers, making our environment good, and God gives us environment beautiful and good. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
First of all, good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Samyaj, and I study in class 8. Today I am here to represent a topic that is our beautiful environment. We all know that our environment is beautiful because it's a precious gift that God has given us. Environment is just like our mother, who take care of us, because the environment give us water, land, soil to live, and without environment we cannot live. And environment keep us good, healthy, and peaceful. That's all about my topic.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Nitya Agrawal. Today, my topic name is our beautiful environment. Our environment is beautiful because there are many things are beautiful, like flower, trees, and etc. We get fresh air. Some places are beautiful environment. Environment is important for our life. There are so many colors in environment, like green, blue, and etc. That's all my topic.
Good evening to all. My name is Gaurav. I study in standard. Today I am presenting a topic of our beautiful environment. Let's start the topic. The creature is a field. The country is a field with a great beauty of nature, and all the creatures and organisms around us a form of a natural environment. Nature is a beauty, and the beauty is a nature. So everywhere natural. Nature is a beautiful in way of or the others. The beauty of a nature has been a source of inspiration and delight of nature. It is established a source of joy, dew, and look grass, green grass, and sunlight, silvery light, and that's all about my topic.
of all, good evening to all of you. Today my topic name is our beautiful environment. Be all that our environment is a beautiful environment. Beautiful environment. Environment is a very important for life. As environment give us many things. Many things. Some like just like just like tree, sea, lake the lake and human beings. Environment is helpful for us. That's all my topic.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Rawat. I am here presenting the topic of our beautiful environment. Let's start. Oh, our environment is very beautiful, and there are many beautiful things in our environment, like fresh air, ocean, and sunrise, sunset. And we read fresh ocean, tree shadow, and etc. So, our environment is very important for us.
Good evening, all of you. My name is Pradyumna. I live at Vizarwat, and today's topic in our beautiful environment. Our environment is very beautiful because, like many beautiful things in our environment, like flower and many and more different plants in our environment. And and many people live in our environment, and in our houses and huts and etc. And that's all about my topic.
Good evening, everyone. I am Siddharth Agrawal. Today I am presenting my topic, our beautiful environment. Our life is very beautiful because of environment. There are many things like weather, people, animals, plants, etc. that make our life beautiful.
I am presenting a quote. My quote is, if you will save the environment, so environment save you. Now I am presenting a quote. Environment always wear the color of spirit. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो आप लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। तब तक के लिए इसकी वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अब मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। तब तक के लिए बाय।